At an industrial wastewater treatment facility, a compact, elevated concrete reactor required an aeration system upgrade. The existing diffuser system was no longer operational, impacting treatment performance. We installed custom stainless steel grid aeration units, engineered to match the reactor's exact dimensions. Each cell received a single grid unit, designed for a 3.5-meter water depth. The system was connected to the existing air supply, without replacing blowers or requiring special modifications. The retrofit was completed quickly, with minimal disruption to plant operations. Several months after installation, the system continues to perform reliably. The client reports high satisfaction with the system's performance.